The control panel for the fridge is on the front. Using the far right top button, you can select through the power options. The battery icon is for 12 volts power supply whilst travelling only. The voltage ultimately comes from your vehicle's battery and alternator. And at this point, the fridge only acts as a cooler box. The next option is gas. When selecting gas, the ignition is automatic. When selecting mains electric, the temperature can be adjusted using the thermometer button, going from minimum to maximum. The auto function lets the fridge decide what type of power to run off. For example, if it can't detect mains power, then it will automatically run off gas. This also means that if it's running off mains electric and there is a power failure, the fridge will automatically turn itself over to gas. To open the fridge door, simply press down the button on the top corner of the door and pull towards you. The fridge also includes a freezer compartment. You can remove this to increase the fridge space by following the instructions on the freezer door label.